The Doogee V Max Plus, the upgraded version of the V Max and a much more better rugged device than the V Max, is Doogee's latest 5G rugged phone. It is not as powerful as the Doogee DK10, but the V Max Plus is still far better than the Doogee V Max and is still one of the best feature-packed 5G rugged phones of 2024. This device is equipped with impressive specifications and tons of cool features. According to Doogee, it has what Doogee calls intelligent interaction lights. Now, these are the two V-shaped lights located at the back of the phone. One is located at the center, and the other is located just right below the camera module. You can customize it to suit different scenarios, including incoming calls, SMS notifications, when you're playing music, or when you're charging the V Max Plus. The V Max Plus has a 200 MP camera, guys. This is one of its main unique selling points. I believe it is a Samsung ISOCELL HP3. It also features a 20 MP night vision camera and an 8 MP ultra wide angle lens. The front facing camera is 32 MP. The phone utilizes 16 GB RAM and it has a 512 GB internal storage. The memory can be expanded. The phone has a really nice moderate 6.5 inch Full HD plus 120 Hz IPS LCD display. The device also packs a massive 22,000 mAh battery and it supports just 33 watts fast charging. This is one of the reasons why the DK10 is a much more better device. Although the DK10 has a smaller battery capacity, but it ships with a much more faster 120 watts charger. This phone also ships with the latest Android 14. And finally, the phone is powered by the Dimensity 7050, which isn't as powerful as Dimensity 8020 of the DK10, but it's still quite better than the processor of the Doogee V Max, which is the Dimensity 1080. So other features include Wi-Fi 6, which is nice. It supports NFC. It is rated IP68 and IP69K. It supports OTG. It has a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. It supports face unlock, GPS, and so on, guys. So these are the top features of the Doogee V Max Plus. As you can see, it's quite a nice feature-packed 5G rugged phone. And as regarding price, the device costs about $300 or so. And yeah, that's it. What are your thoughts about the V Max Plus? Feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.